Hi, I'm Bill. Welcome. If you're working with ServiceNow or you're just starting to learn it, you're in the right place. One thing I've learned over the years is that ServiceNow is a platform where there's always something new to understand, like releases change, features evolve, and sometimes even the basics feel confusing when no one really explains what's going on under the hood. So I created this channel to make that easier for you. Here we get to slow things down, we focus on clarity, and we talk about how the ServiceNow platform actually behaves inside the real instance, not just what buttons to click, but why things work the way they do. If that sounds useful to you, I'd love you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. And I want to be really clear about this. I created this channel for beginners. If you're new to ServiceNow and everything feels big, unfamiliar, or overwhelming, and I'll tell you this, that's completely normal. And you do not need prior experience here, since I'll be explaining the concepts to you step by step, in plain language, and assume that you don't know the platform. And at the same time, this channel is also created for anyone who started tutorials that only shows how to configure something and never explain why it matters. People moving into solution or technical architecture, also for ServiceNow admins and developers who would like to understand the platform deeply. So whether if it's your first week in ServiceNow or you're working with the ServiceNow platform for years, you are both welcome here. Most of the videos I focus on are the parts where ServiceNow quietly causes problems when they're not understood properly. We'll talk about things like CMDB data models, dictionary informed behavior, scripting and platform logic, and how different pieces of ServiceNow workflows connect in real projects. Some topics are basic, some goes deeper, but everything is explained in a calm, in a practical way. The way I wish I had during my early years of service, it has to be explained to me early on. So my teaching style on this channel is very intentional. I will not rush you and not overload you with jargons, and I'll try to explain it the way I would as a teammate who is basically sitting right beside me. Most lessons are shown directly in the platform, so you get to have the experience and see what's really happening. The goal is by the end of any video I've created, you will feel fully confident, not just informed. And if each lesson helps something click for you, then it's a win-win situation. One thing that surprised me on working on real ServiceNow implementations is how many issues come out from small misunderstandings at the beginning, not about advanced features or not even complex modules, just fundamentals that were never clearly explained. And I created this channel to also prevent that, especially for people who are just getting started. So to get most out of this channel, you do not need a big learning plan. I want you to start small. Subscribe so new video shows up. Pick one topic that you're curious about. You'll be able to watch it at your own pace and come back when you're ready for the next one. Learning should be supportive, not stressful. ServiceNow is a powerful platform, but you don't have to learn it alone and all at once. And if you're new, you're welcome. And if you've been here for a while, I'm glad you're here too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.